back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Netflix has set May 12 for the global foremost of El Baile de los 41, Dance of the 41. The fact primarily based totally approximately the early 20th century scandal that rocked Mexican society. Penned with the aid of using Monica Revilla and directed with the aid of using David Pablos, The Chosen Ones El Baile de los 41 specializes in the 1901 scandal of the Ball of the 41, wherein police raided a non-public domestic in Mexico City and uncovered numerous outstanding society guys in drag along with certain regulation of the President of Mexico. Although the authorities attempted to suppress the tale, the neighborhood press gave it blanket coverage, marking the primary time that homosexuality became overtly mentioned within inside the Mexican media and impacting the country's way of life for years to come. In the trailer, which Netflix has shown, it completely in variety, it opens on an officer informing the president of approximately 42 guys stuck in a raid. "I'm most effectively mad of 41," the president replies, signaling next efforts to call up his son-in-law's participation. Meanwhile, his daughter pleads to her husband to a minimum hold-up appearances. Revilla had confirmed turning at tail 6 years in past below a central authority to provide innovative talent. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. It became critical for a brand spanking new generations to be aware of this tale, a good deal of which became surpassed on a gossip via the years, stated Revilla, who has additionally co-written James Samos's upcoming collection for Netflix. Revilla and Pablos, who had formerly collaborated on a sequence for Mexico's Canal 22 with Inside the Past, determined to mutually gift the challenge to Pablo Cruz of El Estudio, which he cherished and agreed to supply. "It became critical for me to make this movie as LGBTQ illustration has scarcely modified with inside the Mexican media or even in a movie and TV. There's nonetheless lots of discrimination, lots of ridicule," stated Pablos. "This is a current movie withstanding its duration setting," he ended. "We desire to alternate the manner of this tale told, humanize the characters and display it from a different perspective," Revilla concurred. President Porfirio Diaz represented the patriarchy of duration with the aid of using white male heterosexuals, stated Revilla. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.